Okay, so this is a model citizen. This is our pair text to go with now and Ben. So this is going to give us more information about Benjamin Franklin. You can see here that it is also informational text. That is our genre because we are learning facts about a specific topic. And this topic is Benjamin Franklin. Ben Franklin became famous for many reasons. He spent large amounts of his time doing scientific experiments. He designed new inventions. He owned a newspaper and composed many stories for it. Remember, composed was one of our vocabulary words. That's a fancy word for he wrote many stories for it. Franklin was a good citizen. He began the first fire company in America. He also started the first public library. As a result, life was better for people. That's what we just learned in the Ben Now and Ben story, that he created a lot of inventions that made our life easy today. In 1776, Great Britain had colonies in America. So instead of states, they had colonies here in this map. People in the colonies wanted to be free. They fought the Revolutionary War against Britain to become free. The colonists asked Franklin to help them achieve freedom. So the people that lived here, those are the colonists, they asked Benjamin Franklin to help them get free so they could do what they wanted. That's what freedom is, so they can make their own choices. He helped Thomas Jefferson write the Declaration of Independence. The 13 colonies won the war in 1783 and became the United States of America. So here you can look at this map again, this diagram. It shows you those 13 original colonies. These were the first states of the United States. If you didn't know that, I feel like we did talk about that earlier in the school year. And if you look at the whole map of the United States here, you can see that all of those 13 states were over here on the east side, the east coast, over here, because it was closest to Great Britain. But you can see here, Michigan, remember we're shaped like the mitten here, and we have the Great Lakes around us. So that's Michigan here. So we were not part of the 13 original colonies. Right here, these are the 13 original colonies. Michigan was not part. Actually, you can see right here, we're a little portion of it off to the left, the west. After the war, Franklin helped to write a plan for the government of the United States. This plan was called the Constitution of the United States. Ben Franklin had a life full of remarkable accomplishments. He is a model for us all. And this is a painting. The caption to describe the painting says, "This painting shows the signing of the Declaration of Independence. Franklin is standing beside Thomas Jefferson." So there they are. They are called the Founding Fathers. Okay, so your assignment this week is to either pick text to text, text to self, or text to world. So in text to text, you are comparing both of our stories, Now and Ben, and then a model citizen that you just listened to. Okay? You're going to just make a list of the most important ideas that you learn from each of them. Okay, maybe 2 sentences on each of them. The most important 2 ideas from Now and Ben, and the most important ideas that you just learned from a model citizen. Okay, you can talk about what's the same in them or maybe what's different. Text to self, it says write a poem, and I guess you can if you want to, or I was just thinking that you could write about what Benjamin Franklin did for our country when it was new and what he did that maybe changed and affected you, because you're comparing Benjamin Franklin to yourself. So include how you feel about that, maybe the inventions and how they affect you on day-to-day life. Text to world, you are talking about Benjamin Franklin and what he did for our community and how he makes our life better. So actually those two are a little similar. You're comparing Benjamin Franklin to yourself or the community, so more of our world and how he has improved our world and our community. Okay, have a great day, guys. Bye.